Project Review Season 2 Week 3. So week 2 was a disaster. Like I didn't expect it to blow up like that. But it did. And created a problem for me. Which is called I can't review all the submitted projects. So basically we cannot continue the same process of submission like week 2. As that way I will get like 100 submissions in 2 days. Which is like, and if I don't upload often, it will be like you will submit a project today and it will be reviewed like 5 months later. So that is not good. So I have a plan. So basically I will take submissions for each and every episode separately. So until I release an episode, you will be able to submit projects for that episode. And like there will be no limit. But the interesting part comes here. I will not review every project. I will choose randomly. I have made a project review machine with which I will be able to like randomize selection of projects. The machine will basically give me a number and I will review that project and rest of them will be deleted. And this is because I will review the latest work. Like there will be actually new projects in every episode. If your project is not reviewed, you can try submitting next time for the next episode. And if you are lucky, the project review machine will choose your project. Every time I upload an episode, you can watch it and then check the description for the new submission link. Then you can submit your project through that link if it wasn't reviewed. No need to hurry as there is no limit of submissions. And please do not comment, oh please review my project, please, I'm your biggest fan, as that will not work. I won't take review requests from anyone. The only way your project will be chosen for review is through the project review machine. That is the god of project review now. Also, there is a thing you should keep in mind before submitting. I will be completely honest with my opinion on your project. I will properly tell what you need to fix and what things you should add. Also, if it is good, I will say good. But if it is not, I will point out things which are not good and maybe tell you how to improve them. If you don't like this, please do not submit. Other than that, here are some life updates. So I recently got this iPhone 12 purple and so the camera quality is going to be amazing now, as you can see here. Other than that, the last video broke records like... Just check this out. I mean 10k views in a week. 20k views 4 days later. That is crazy. And other than that, I am going to Manali. So there won't be any uploads for at least 15 days. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.